Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody, back with a summer living room tour. If you're interested in seeing what we've done to our living room for the summer, just keep watching. I'm going to share with you guys where all the items came from at the end of the video. Bye! Okay guys, I'm going to start on this end telling you where the items came from. So you've seen this chair in multiple videos. The chair actually came from Pier 1. The pillow came from Home Goods, and I wish that I would have gotten 2 of those pillows because I purchased one, and when I went back to get the other one, it was gone. I so love this pillow. Now moving right along on this side, the side table came from Z Gallery. This is a lamp that I'm using as a vase, came from Home Goods. The stems in the lamp actually came from Hobby Lobby. The tray came from Home Goods. The candle actually came from Ross, and the diffuser actually came from Burlington. And I've shown you guys that diamond ring many times. I won that from Dazzling Design by Denise's channel. And the little ring umbrella holder there came from, I think it came from High Fashion Home. Okay, moving up to the wall area. I love this mirror. This mirror came from Z Gallery last year, and they still have that particular mirror. And moving to this side, the lamp came from Home Goods. Actually, everything on this particular side table came from Home Goods, except for this arrangement here came from Burlington. If I go down to the bottom, that picture frame came from Z Gallery, and my end tables came from Rooms to Go. Now moving around to the sofa. Okay, moving around to my sofa. So the sofa actually came from Rooms to Go. My throw came from Z Gallery, and I love this throw, you guys. I'm actually going to take that splurge again and get me a gray one just like this. My pillows that you're seeing here, the white pillows came from Home Goods. The other pillows actually came from Z Gallery. The gray and white pillows here actually is a Mother's Day gift from my husband. And these pillows here I actually bought for myself. I like this because it has the aqua in here. It has white, and it has some teal. And I'm not sure if you're able to see the silver in there as well. These pillows here I can just use all year round, even for the fall and the winter. Actually, all these pillows I can use all year round. Now, I'm going to come over on this end. Well, actually, the wall art came from Kirkland's last summer. On this end, I pretty much have the same thing on this end table, except for this frame. The frame came from Home Goods. The Happy Girl Shine Brighter sign came from Totally Dazzled. Okay guys, so Totally Dazzled have to where you can log on to the website that I'm going to place down below, and you have the option to print over 50 quotes. And most of them are like 5x7. Some of them are 4x6s, but they work perfectly in any glam frame that you have around your home. Now over here in this box here, I have some of my Agate coasters and the remote that goes to my pendant light. This actually came from Home Goods, and I love it. This is a jewelry box, you guys, and you'll be amazed how you can use different decor pieces for different purposes. Okay, moving down to the bottom, I have another frame with my mom in it, and this set back here actually came from Target. The balls came from Pier 1. I had mentioned to you guys before, all my curtains came from Amazon. Even these ombre curtains here, Amazon. They start teal at the bottom, and it goes all the way up. Ended up being aqua, and then it'll go up, end up being white. And I love these, you guys. I don't regret ordering them at all. So over here, this wall art came from Ross, and this vase here came from Z Gallery, as well as the florals that's in the vase. Oh, and these actually came from At Home, and they actually light. Okay guys, so moving over here to my entryway table. So I did a whole review on the sconces that you see here. I'll leave the link to that video below, but these are some awesome sconces. I'm not going to go into details, but they change colors and you can control them with your phone, and they go perfectly with the decor scheme that I have going on over here above my entryway table. Now this wall art that you see above my entryway table, I originally had that in my master bedroom, and I moved it in here because I just wanted to change the scene around for the summer. So I pretty much have the same thing on here. These are the same candle holders that I had on here for the spring tour, as well as these. The tall ones came from Home Goods, and these actually came from Ross. And my vases that you see in the middle came from Z Gallerie. They were on clearance. I think I paid like $15 for the smaller one and $20 for the bigger one. And the florals that you see in here actually came from Z Gallerie as well. I got them around Christmas time. So on the bottom shelf here, the two bigger items, vases on the end came from Michael's. I used the 40% off coupon and got those. And then I have my little miniature ellipse vase that came from Z Gallerie, and some aqua Victorian candle holders that also came from Z Gallerie. Now over here in this corner, I have a Chanel pillow that I ordered from SD Decor. I follow her on Instagram. The pillow was like I think it was like $28 or so. I think it's actually a pillow cover, you guys. And the other pillow came from Home Goods, and a throw and a lantern that came from Home. Okay, so let's talk about the most favorite feature that I love in the living room, which is my coffee table. So the coffee table and end tables came from Rooms to Go. It was a set. It was $499, and I love this coffee table. Now Z Gallerie have one similar to this, but just for the coffee table I think it's like $9.99, and I thought this was a steal, you guys. So anyway, let's talk about the decor pieces that's on the coffee table. I think you guys may have seen these items before, but at the bottom I have the smaller spears came from Home Goods, the bigger smear came from Michael's. My Breakfast at Tiffany's book, I ordered it from Amazon. You can shop my home. I'm going to leave a link below to shop my Amazon storefront. It was like $24. The candle that's on top of it came from Z Gallerie. Candle holders here and the candles came from Home Goods. In the middle of the tray, in the middle of the coffee table, this crystal tray came from Home Goods. It's actually a mirror, you guys. The agate coasters came from Etsy, and the little hummingbird came from Z Gallerie. It was on clearance. I think I paid like 10 bucks for it. Now moving to the vase. This vase was on sale at Z Gallerie. It was 22 bucks. And the stems that I have in the vase, I paid like $6 for each one. They were on sale too, like 25% off when I purchased them, and I thought they went perfect for the vase. Now this little fella here came from Target. It was on clearance. And my coffee table books here came from Etsy. My daughter ordered them for me, and I'll try to leave the link below to the shop to where they came from. And the bookends actually came from, I'm not sure if they came from Home Goods or At Home, you guys, but I've had them for quite some time. So my rug, this rug, the gray one, came from Ross, and the little faux one, teal aqua faux rug, came from Home Goods. So this is summing up my summer living room tour, you guys. Now I am going to change one more thing out in this room before the summer is up. I am looking for some bigger lamps. I want a bigger scale lamp here and there, over there. So once I find those, I'm going to do a summer tour update for you guys. So I hope this video inspired someone and motivated someone to decorate their living room for the summer. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.